Hello kids, I'm your English teacher Rakesh Uthar from Ambuja Public School. I welcome you all on APS E-Classes channel. Today we are going to read lesson 3 from class 7th and its supplementary read. The title of the lesson is The Desert. The title itself is self-explanatory that here in this lesson we are going to learn about deserts, the animals which live in the desert and how they acclimatize themselves with those harsh conditions of desert. So let's begin this lesson. The theme of the lesson is desert. We will learn about desert and the life in the desert. Before we continue with the lesson, let's have an introduction of the lesson. Deserts are usually without water and they are either too hot or too cold. People believe that they have no life, but in fact deserts have plants and animals that are very different because they have learned to live in the very extreme and unusual conditions in the desert. Let's move to the summary of this lesson. Most people believe that the desert is an endless stretch of land. They think that it is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. The specialists, however, see the desert as a beautiful place. For them, a desert is the home of a variety of people, animals, and plants. True that it does not always have a cover of grass. The rain is rare, but when it does, the desert becomes as beautiful as any tropical garden. A desert may sometimes have mountains and hills. It may have an oasis also. A desert can be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh. In general, when a place has little or no water and vegetation, people call it a desert. Sand dunes are found in those deserts which are almost totally without water. These dunes keep on shifting across the desert. All creatures need water. The animals and plants of the desert are able to survive on less water. A camel can do without water for days together. The reason is that a camel can drink a lot of water at one time. Now, camels do not sweat, so they retain the water they drink for a long time. Smaller desert animals get their water from the moisture in the things they eat. So, some of them get the water they need from the animals they eat. Those who don't eat meat eat plants and seeds, thus they get the needed water from the plant juices. In our cities and villages, the climate is humid. The moisture in the air acts like a blanket. It protects the earth from the hot rays of sun. So the earth is not very hot during the day. The same cover doesn't let the heat go out during the night. So the earth is not very cold during the night. Thus, the variation in temperature during the 24 hours is not much. Since there is no such cover in the desert, there is much variation between the day and night temperature there. The temperature rises much during the day. In the same way, it falls much during the night. So, the learning from this lesson is deserts play an important part in nature's cycle of life. Just because they are hot and dry, we should not ignore them as useless parts of the earth. These are some word meanings that may prove helpful to you. Do read this lesson. This lesson is about the life which animals and plants live in desert. You will come to know a lot of things about the acclimatizations, the things how these animals and plants made themselves to survive in those harsh conditions of desert. I hope you have learned a lot of things and you will find this lesson easy to learn and understand. If there is any problem, do ask me. With this, thank you very much.